Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Zing Data channel. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple process of integrating your Supabase data with Zing Data, allowing you to easily visualize and explore your information. Supabase, for those who might not know, is an amazing open source alternative to Firebase. It gives you a powerful Postgres database, authentication, instant APIs, and so much more, making it super easy to build scalable backends. Before we dive in, you'll just need two things: an active Supabase project and, of course, an active Zing Data account. Let's get started. First, log in to your Supabase project dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the Connect tab in the top navigation bar. Under the connection string section, make sure you select PSQL as the type. You'll see different connection options here, like direct connection, session pooler, and transaction pooler. For general data visualization within Zing Data, we recommend using the session pooler connection string. Alright, with our Supabase connection details in hand, let's switch over to your Zing web console. From the main dashboard, click on the Data Sources tab in the left-hand navigation. Now, click on New Data Source. And for Supabase, since it's a Postgres database, you'll select PostgreSQL as your data source type. Here, you'll enter the information we gathered from your Supabase connection string. Input the host, port, user, database name, and crucially, your database password. Take note, the database password you'll need is the one you used when you initially created your Supabase project. If you ever need to reset your database password, you can do so by going to Project Settings, then the Database tab, and selecting Reset Database Password in the Database Password section. Once everything's filled out, go ahead and tap Check Connection. Zing will then attempt to establish a connection. If successful, you'll see a confirmation, and Zing will automatically display a list of all the tables found in your Supabase database. By default, all tables will be visible within Zing Data. However, you have the option to easily control which tables are displayed. Simply turn off the switch for any table you don't want to see, then hit Save. And that's it. The Supabase data source you just added will now be available to everybody in your organization within Zing Data, ready for collaborative analysis and visualization. We hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing with Zing Data.